Hello, IREM members. I'm Kiyoshi of Asset Build Company. I'm faculty of MNT and MKL. Thank you to choose me in the final selection of REMY Award. I feel that very proud and my pleasure. 5 years ago, large-scale earthquake and tsunami is hit in North-east Japan. We received a huge support from the time the United States and other countries. Sincerely, I think and thank you. Then, in April of this year, large-scale earthquake of twins hit in southern Japan, Kumamoto. There were many apartments seriously damaged. For tenant to continue to can be used, it is safe or danger. Contact has entered a member of the company. I organized the architect members of the IREM-JAPAN. The team visited the Kumamoto. We surveyed of apartments damaged. The total number is 114. One of the value that IREM members believe, one for all for one. It is the same in my country. Thank you to evaluate our team. Thank you very much and thank you.